Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to add automatic captions on CapCut. So let's get started. I have here one of my videos and let's say I want to add auto captions to it. It is very simple. The first thing you want to do is you want to click on text, then auto captions. From here, you can pick one of these templates that you want to use, for example, this one. After that, you want to click on generate. Now just wait for a few seconds or minutes, it will depend on the length of your video. Once it is done, we should now have auto captions on our video. That's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please consider dropping a like and subscribing to the channel.